CSI College of Engineering Nilgiris. Think it, do it, be it. The vision of the institution is to equip the students with technical knowledge, skill, and ability to inculcate in them right attitude with holistic values, to motivate the creativity, and to excel in decision making according to scientific pursuits, which they will execute independently in all endeavors of life, and to develop a system of meaningful and productive interaction with the industry. And the mission of CSI College of Engineering is to ensure that the students and the faculty are equipped with contribute to a process of nation building and development of society. The continuous laborious mission is to become portal of learning, research and entrepreneurial executors in engineering sciences. Disclaimer: this information is collected from various sources in the internet only for the information purpose. The user is advised to confirm the accuracy of this data. The courses offered are computer science and engineering, mechanical engineering, electronics and communication engineering, information technology, civil engineering, electrical and electronics engineering. The cutoff marks for various castes and various departments: for OC 117 to 160, for BCM 103 to 126, for BC 92 to 149, for MBC 84 to 133, and for SC 81 to 115. Facilities are libraries, a place vibrating with ideas. As we live in the era of information explosion, every hour a new theory, a new thought, a new philosophy, a discovery, and innovation is released for every mankind. At CSICE, there are a rich collection of well-stacked technical and non-technical books, e-books, e-journals, etc., endowing to the needs of every student of various departments, staff, and research scholars. The college have 25,550 volumes of books that include 9,300 unique titles, 886 back volumes, 1,383 theses, 72 current national journals, and 40 international journals. Cafeteria: the food court is available in the campus for students, faculties, and visitors. The canteen provides tasty, healthy, and hygienic food. The canteen is functioning within the premises of the college to serve a variety of hygienic food and snack items at nominal price and ensures to keep up the standards of the food served. Junk food is not sold in the campus. Separate dining spaces are maintained for the staff and students. Utmost care is taken to enjoy a perfect relaxation time during the meal hours. Transport: a full fledged transport department functions in the college with buses to provide transport facility to students and faculties to various places. This service is offered ensuring hassle free and safe transportation. College runs 11 buses for providing transport to the students from various places in the city. The buses operate with an attendant on all working days. Hostels: separate hostels for boys and girls, which accommodate around 800 students. The hostel is attached with the mess where the students enjoy homely food. Hostels provide good and safe facilities of lodging and boarding to cater to the needs of the outstation students. Both boys and girls hostels are located inside the campus on different locations. The ambience of international hostel is well maintained in the high standards of international students to meet their needs and satisfactions of staying in the hostel. Care is taken to provide nutritious and hygienic food to all the inmates. Wardens take high care in the safety of inmates. The eligibility and scholarship: for the first year students for OC, physics, chemistry, maths together 50 percentage, for BC 45, for MBC 40, and for SCST 40 percentage. And for the lateral year entry, for OC subjects diploma, percentage is 55, for BC 50, MBC 45, and SCST 40 percentage. The tuition fees concessions: 200 out of 200 cut off 100% concession in tuition fees, 190 out of 200 50% concession in tuition fees, 180 out of 200 25% concession in tuition fees, and in 170 out of 200 cut off 20% concession in tuition fees. And for sports quota representation in district, state, or national level, 20% concession in tuition fees. And the other scholarships are post matrix scholarship for BC and MBC, and post-matric scholarship for SC, ST, SCC. 100% tuition fee waiver to SC and BCAD students. 50% tuition fee waiver to first graduate students, and merit cum mean based scholarship for the minority students. Result comparison from 2015 to 2018. In 2015, 55 percentage, in 2016, 38, in 2017, 54, and in 2018, 48. The college counseling code is 2705. Contact college at 98946 47447 or 9442720925, 9943706755, 9489646936, and the website is www.csice.edu.in. College is located in Ketti near Ooty, the Nilgiris, 643215, Tamil Nadu, India. And the mail ID is info@csice.edu.in.